Starting early is the key to teaching your young ones the joys of bicycle life. This bike designed for fewer crashes and more smiles to make learning to ride a bike as easy as can be. Simply and safety, we ensure that each bike is crafted with your child's safety in mind. The aluminum quick-release seat clamps allow for no-tool saddle height adjustments. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Fun and free riding. Our bikes are designed to focus on a simple goal, learning and improving balance. Through this approach, your child will also learn coordination and confidence. We have found it to be the best way to learn to ride. Number 2. Lightweight frame, built with strong carbon steel for every detail of this bike, 13.5 pounds. The lightweight bicycle frame design makes the bike easier to control for kids, ideal for children to start training. Number 3. Adjustable bike, built for ages 5 and up and fitting an inseam of 45 to 55 centimeters, 18 to 22 inches. The JOYSTAR 16 Striker is the perfect balance bike for those who want to learn how to ride but haven't had the right opportunity to learn. Number 4. Simplicity and safety. Along with providing the best balance bike, we ensure that each bike is crafted with your child's safety in mind. Front caliper handbrake provides excellent stop power. The aluminum quick-release seat clamps allow for no-tool saddle height adjustments. Installed with pneumatic tires, trail over rocky and bumpy terrain. Number 5. Service and warranty. Comes with a limited lifetime warranty and is backed by an expert support team. If at all you are not satisfied with the bike, please let us know. With the 100% guarantee, we will fix or replace defective parts as well. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.